Hello students, today you have to learn about harvesting. Harvesting of crop is an important task. Why it is important task? Because farmers has worked so hard to grow crops. So if they don't harvest on time, then what we can say that all their efforts that can be wasted. So harvesting of crop at proper time is very important task. The cutting of crop after it is mature is called harvesting. So this is the definition of harvesting. What is harvesting? So once the crops get mature, and when we can say that the crops gets mature, when they grow the seeds, right? When they produce seeds, at that time, and seeds are properly grown, then we can say that that crop is properly mature. And the cutting process of matured crop is nothing but that is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out from soil, or crops can cut close to the ground. It is usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. So this is maximum time period that is given to you. So in that time interval, the cereal crops that becomes mature, and afterwards that are harvested from the field. Okay. Now next, Paheli is having one question, that is, after harvesting, sometimes stubs are left in the field which are burned by farmers. Paheli is worried about this. Right? After harvesting, sometimes stubs are left in the field which are burned by farmers. Paheli is worried. She knows that it causes pollution. It may also catch fire and damage the crops lying in the field. So, what do you think? The Paheli that she worries, is it okay or not? Yes, she thinks what we can say that right only. Right, when you bury the things that is left in the field, obviously that leads to pollution, and pollution, air pollution, that leads to global warming. Okay, same way, there are chances that nearby crops that are drying, that are mature, that crops may also catch fire. So that also what we can say that damage the production, right? Loss of production takes place. Okay, so that is not good. So burying the things that are left over in the field is not a good option for the farmer. Okay, or wisely they can convert that things into manure. That is a good option. Harvesting in our country is either done manually by sickle, okay, or by a machine called harvester. In the harvested crops, the grain sheets need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing, right? So when the harvested crops are there, grain seeds are separated from the chaff. जो कचरा है, जो ड्राई लीव्स है, राइट, उससे सीड्स को जो हम अलग करते हैं, देन दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड थ्रेशिंग. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, about harvesting, that is, this is carried out with the help of machine called combine, right? What exactly is done with the help of combine? We can say that this machine combine at the same time, right, harvest the crops as well as separate seeds from the chaff. Two works that can be done manually but takes lots of time and labor that can be saved with the help of this machine. As you can see in the picture, it's called combine. It carried out two works at a time. One is harvesting of crops, and second one separating seeds from chaff. So threshing and harvesting, both the processes can be done with the help of this machine. So it's very useful. Farmers with small holdings of land do the separation of grains and chaff by winnowing. So those who don't have this type of money to buy this machine, right, so farmers with small holdings means small lands, right? They can separate grains and chaff by winnowing method also. Okay, and that you have learned in 6th standard about winnowing method, right? Okay,